Hello, my friends. There is a particular and very important feature on all iPhones that you absolutely should consider disabling immediately. This specific feature, if left enabled, can unfortunately cause your entire phone to be completely formatted and all data erased unintentionally, especially if you happen to enter the incorrect password or passcode more than 10 consecutive times. This could lead to significant data loss and inconvenience. So go directly to the default settings application, which is conveniently found on all iPhones, and then proceed to open it as you normally would. After that, carefully scroll down a little bit further until you are able to locate the specific option that is clearly labeled Face ID and Passcode. If your phone is set to another language, remember the icons and locations you need to go to. I will now tap on this specific area of the screen. Here, I will now carefully enter my phone's secure passcode. First and foremost, if this is indeed your very first time watching this particular video, please do not forget to show your valuable support for me by enthusiastically clicking the subscribe and also the follow buttons. Additionally, please consider liking this video and generously sharing it with all of your cherished friends and beloved family members. I would truly and genuinely appreciate your kind efforts immensely. After that, scroll all the way down like this, as you can see, until you find the option labeled Erase Data. You can also read this information as shown. As soon as you enter the incorrect passcode more than 10 consecutive times, your mobile phone will be automatically formatted and all valuable data will be permanently deleted. You will typically find this particular option enabled appearing exactly like this, as you can clearly see. Simply proceed to disable it completely so that it then looks precisely like this as it is now clearly shown.